Nestled within the serene sanctuary of NIZUC Resort and Spa, NIZUC Spa by ESPA invites you to reconnect with nature, restore balance, and rediscover a deeper sense of well-being. Honored with the prestigious Forbes Travel Guide 5-star rating, NIZUC Spa by ESPA blends with the sacred healing traditions of the Mayan culture, creating a truly extraordinary spa journey. Spanning an impressive 30,000 square feet, the spa features 18 luxurious multifunctional treatment suites, including an exclusive Asian therapy room and private spa villas for couples. The spa sanctuary also includes a beauty salon, fitness center, and movement studio. As well as separate hydrotherapy facilities for ladies and gentlemen. Guests may also unwind at the co-ed outdoor spa pool, surrounded by tranquil gardens. Each spa ritual begins with the experience of the elements. A guided hydrotherapy journey designed to awaken the senses and prepare the body for deep relaxation. To enhance the experience of the elements, NIZUC Spa also offers oxygen therapy. The spa's treatment collection features signature Mayan-inspired rituals, including the Mayan cacao ritual and the NIZUC renewal. Facial experiences begin with a personalized ESPA skin consultation and include the luxurious Hydra facial. For guests seeking advanced aesthetic treatments, NIZUC MedSpa offers state-of-the-art technologies, including Cool Tone, Cynosure, and TempSure. To further enrich the wellness experience, guests are invited to enjoy a selection of complimentary classes as part of the NIZUC Life program. For sports enthusiasts, the NIZUC Tennis Center features 2 outdoor sand-filled artificial grass courts. Luxury wellness reaches new heights at NIZUC Resort and Spa with regenerative therapies powered by KALONI. This innovative collaboration offers advanced treatments, including personalized IV nutritional therapies, mesenchymal stem cell therapy, and exosome therapy. At NIZUC, wellness transcends relaxation, evolving into a journey toward renewal, vitality, and harmonious balance.